Auto Good fam, buckle up, because today we're talking about a car that quietly marks the end of an era and the beginning of a new one for Mercedes-Benz. This is the 2025 Mercedes CLE 300, the luxury coupe that replaces two legends at once, the C-Class Coupe and the E-Class Coupe, and somehow manages to blend elegance, technology, and everyday performance into one sleek, modern package. At first glance, the CLE 300 looks exactly like what Mercedes intended it to be, a bridge between classes. It's longer, lower, and more sophisticated than the old C-Class Coupe, but not as oversized or intimidating as the former E-Class Coupe. The proportions are spot on: long hood, short rear deck, frameless doors, and a flowing roofline that gives it that timeless coupe silhouette. The front end is clean and confident, with a wide grille, sharp LED headlights, and subtle chrome accents that scream quiet luxury rather than loud aggression. This is a Mercedes designed to age gracefully. Under the hood, the CLE 300 keeps things refined and efficient, but not boring. It's powered by a 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing around 255 horsepower and 295 pounds-ft of torque, paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' latest 48-volt mild hybrid system. That integrated starter generator adds an extra electric boost during acceleration, smooths out start-stop operation, and improves fuel efficiency. The result is a coupe that feels effortless, smooth off the line, responsive on the highway, and perfectly relaxed when cruising. Expect a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6.0 seconds, which is more than quick enough for a luxury daily. On the road, the CLE 300 is all about balance. The suspension is tuned for comfort first, but it still feels planted and composed through corners. Steering is light and precise, making the car easy to live within the city, while the long wheelbase gives it excellent stability at speed. Available for MATIC, all-wheel drive adds confidence in wet or cold conditions, turning this coupe into a true year-round luxury machine. It's not trying to be a sports car, it's trying to be effortlessly good, and that's exactly what it delivers. Step inside, and this is where the CLE 300 really shines. The cabin feels like a preview of Mercedes' future. You're greeted by a fully digital driver display and a large vertically mounted central touchscreen running the latest MBUX system. The interface is fast, customizable, and packed with features: navigation with augmented reality, advanced voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and ambient lighting that wraps the interior in customizable color themes. Materials are top-notch: soft touch surfaces, brushed metal accents, optional wood trim, and beautifully stitched leather seats that feel premium without being overdone. Despite being a coupe, the CLE 300 is surprisingly practical. The rear seats are more usable than you'd expect. Cargo space is generous for the class, and daily comfort is clearly a priority. This is a car you can commute in, road trip in, and show up to a formal event in, all without feeling out of place. Now let's talk price. In the US, the 2025 Mercedes CLE 300 Coupe is expected to start around $50,000 to $53,000, depending on drivetrain and options. In Europe, pricing will likely fall between €52,000 and €56,000, positioning it as a premium but accessible luxury coupe, and a strong value considering it replaces two separate model lines. Auto Good fam, the 2025 Mercedes CLE 300 isn't about chasing lap times or shocking horsepower figures. It's about evolution. It's Mercedes simplifying its lineup, refining its design language, and delivering a coupe that blends elegance, comfort, and modern technology into one beautiful package. It's the kind of car that doesn't shout for attention, it earns it.